Drones are increasingly becoming a critical technology for industrial uses. Implementing drone technology allows companies to operate with effective controls, strengthen safety, improve processes, reduce costs, and increase productivity in different industries. Virtuxplorer offers an intelligent cloud solution in conjunction with advisory value services to support your corporate drone program and help you efficiently conduct your commercial activities. We have solutions adapted to your industry and your operational needs, supporting you throughout the process of planning, operation, and management of your fleet and all data derived from a drone program. Moreover, Virtuxplorer offers value services in drone maintenance, custom drone construction, team certification, and training for drone pilots. Virtuxplorer platform supports beyond visual line of sight, an extended visual line of sight, from any remote location and with high standards of online security. Through the platform, you can govern RPA, UAV, or UV fleets used in civil and government operations, scale and customize capacity to automate and standardize management processes, support different RPA, UAV, or UV control protocols such as Mavlink, DJI, among others. The platform is integrated by 4 modules: requisitions, flight plan, flight operations, and data management. We are part of ECHES Group, a company that operates in 46 countries, has advised more than 600,000 companies, and has more than 10 years of successful operations worldwide. Virtuxplorer offers you the best platform and services for taking full advantage of drone technology for your company. The flight starts now. Contact us and request a test flight.